Assalamu alaikum, how are everybody? Today we will review chemistry chapter 10 section 1. Question 1. In the space provided, write down the letter or term that best completes each statement or answer the question. 1. A hypothetical gas that perfectly fits all the assumptions of the kinetic molecular theory is known as real gas, an ideal gas, an imaginary gas, or a perfect gas. A hypothetical gas that follows the assumption of the kinetic molecular theory is an ideal gas. Number 2. Which of the following is not true about the volume of a gas? Most of the volume is empty space. The volume is occupied by particles in continuous rapid random motion. The volume is about 10 times greater than that occupied by an equal number of particles in the liquid or solid state. Generally, the volume can be easily changed. Which choice is correct? It's not true about the volume of a gas. So, the volume is about 10 times greater than that occupied by the solid or liquid state. Which of the following is an assumption of the kinetic molecular theory of gases? Collisions between gas particles are inelastic. Gases consist of closely spaced particles. Gas particles move around in an orderly manner. And the temperature of the gas depends on the average kinetic energy of the gas particles. So the correct choice will be D. Number 4. Which of the following is the equation needed to calculate the kinetic energy of the moving particle? It will be A. Kinetic energy equals half mv squared. Kinetic energy equals half mv squared. Number 5. If the gas has the same temperature throughout, which gas molecule has the highest average kinetic energy? Which one? Oxygen, water vapor, hydrogen, or xenon? As they have the same temperature, the lighter has more kinetic energy. So it will be hydrogen. Number 6. Which condition is necessary for most gases to behave nearly ideally? High temperature, high pressure, high temperature, low compressibility, low expansion. For most gases to behave nearly ideally, it has higher temperature. Which of the following is not a physical property of gases? Which of the following is not a physical property of gases? Which of the physical property of gases? Absence of definite volume, large density, high compressibility, fluidity. It is large density because the density of gases is low. Number 8. Rates of fusion of different gases are proportional to their polarity, particle charge, particle velocity, compressibility, particle velocities. Which states of matter are fluids? Gas and liquids, liquids and solids, gas only, liquids only, it will be gas and liquids. Which gas deviates the most from the ideal behavior? CH4, H2O, Cl2, and He. It will be H2O. Short answer. Answer the following questions in the space provided. Identify whether the descriptions below describe an ideal gas or a real gas. The gas will not condense because the molecules do not attract each other. This is an ideal gas. Collisions between molecules are perfectly elastic. This is an ideal gas. Gas particles passing close to one another exert an attraction on each other. This is a real gas. 2. The formula for kinetic energy is kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared. As long as temperature is constant, what happens to the kinetic energy of the colliding particles during an elastic collision? As long as the temperature is constant, what happens to kinetic energy of the colliding particles during an elastic collision? The energy is transferred between them. Energy is transferred between them and the temperature is kept constant.